Hello guys, this is teacher Tania, and for this class we are going to talk about graphical analysis. Graphs are a common method to visually illustrate relationships in the data. The purpose of a graph is to present data to make it easier to describe it and compare it. It is also important to know that there are many different types of graphs, but you can work with the one that is more comfortable for you. Let's solve the following exercises for you to realize how useful are graphs. In an elementary school are 161 fifth grade students. The following graph shows their favorite sport. Here we can see the favorite sports and the number of students, and the lines in the middle represent the relationship between those data. This way, it's so easy to see which is the favorite sport of the most students and which one is the least preferred. And now, let's answer the questions according to the graph information. Number 1. How many students prefer basketball? Number 2. Which is the sport that most students play? Number 3. Which is the least preferred sport? And number 4. Explain why there are remaining preferences. Let's continue with the second one. This graph represents the time made through Mexico and Aguascalientes by car, motorcycle, and bus. So this graph represents the relationship among the types of vehicles and the time made by each one. This way we can see which one goes faster than the other. And now let's answer the questions. Number 1. Which vehicle does less time? Number 2. Which one takes more time to get there? Number 3. What extra information can you observe in the graph? And number 4. Explain the relation among the data of the previous graph. Okay, now let's move to the last exercise. Complete the missing information in the chart and make a graph. Use colors and ruler. For the last exercises, we analyze the graphs and answer questions. This time, you are going to construct your own graph with this information. Remember to use ruler and your geometry set, and colors to make it look pretty. And that's it for this video. I hope you could find interesting information in here. Anyway, the activities just mentioned will be solved during the virtual class. But if you miss the class, this could be very useful for you. You must send a picture of the activity solved in your book. If you don't have the book yet, just for this time, you can solve it in your notebook and send a picture of it. Remember that the last day to send your activities of the week is on Sunday. If you have more questions, you can send me a message or a comment right below the activity in the Google Classroom, and I will be glad to help you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.